WALB Investigates is working to learn why over-the-counter eye drops, recalled by the FDA because they could cause serious health problems, are still on some store shelves in South Georgia.
Now, last month, we reported that over-the-counter eye drops were being recalled because of possible bacterial contamination that could cause infection or, even worse, blindness. WALB investigator Heidi Paxson visited a couple of area stores and found some of the products have not been removed from store shelves.
Yeah, Jim and Carla, I went to Target and CVS in Albany, two companies named in the recall because they carry these particular brands. And what I quickly found is that even with all of the recall information right in my hand, it is still extremely overwhelming trying to make sure you are not buying the wrong product. The names, they're all very similar, and yes, some of these potentially dangerous products are still on the shelves.
And to be honest with you, when I got that FDA notification and started scrolling through the drops that were involved, I run a specialty dry eye clinic. These are shops in town here that my patients could be going in and picking up off the shelf that they might have in their homes right now.
At the CVS, I tried to buy a recalled product.
Help is required for this item.
When I went to check out, this is the notification that popped up on the self-checkout machine, telling me I had to take it out of my bag. I wasn't able to check out, but there was no further explanation and no heads up that there's a recall.
When you go into a pharmacy or a drugstore, it's incredibly overwhelming to look at the number of choices to begin with. And so, at the very least, you may not have something that's effective, but, in the most serious case like this, you could actually be picking up something that could be health threatening.
We reached out to CVS representatives who said, quote, "Upon receiving notification by the FDA, we've immediately stopped the sale in-store and online of all products supplied by Velocity Pharma within the CVS Health brand eye products portfolio. Customers who purchase these products can return them to CVS Pharmacy for a full refund. We're committed to ensuring the products we offer are safe, work as intended, and satisfy customers, and are fully cooperating with the FDA on this matter." Sometimes a recall might seem like a 1 in a billion chance of impacting you, but as Dr. Norman explains, there can be serious ramifications.
As we found out with the previous contaminated recalled drops, it caused, severe injury, blindness, even death. And so, I think it's very important to, number one, have a healthcare provider that you can trust and make sure that you're using the right product for the right condition to begin with and get a specific recommendation.
And if you're questioning some of the products in your medicine cabinet,
definitely my advice is to throw it all away. So I think that that's important with any prescription drug cabinet or any area that we have in our home that maybe has medication, eye drops, things like that, that it's really important to take things as prescribed, discard any unused medication.
26 products are involved in this recall. The FDA made the recommendation after agency investigators found insanitary conditions in the manufacturing facility and positive bacterial test results from environmental sampling of critical drug production areas in the facility.
And so I definitely have taken this much more seriously than I have in months or years prior, because I know these drops are likely circulating in our community and amongst our patients.
Target did not have the recalled products on the shelf when we went, but they did have similar drops that were hard to distinguish from the recalled ones. We compared the FDA product description and the ingredients on the products at the store. So this is your friendly reminder to look through those old products in your drawers and compare it to the recall list that can be found on our website. For WALB Investigates, I'm Heidi Paxson with WALB, your hometown news source.